Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video just to cover some of the areas that we weren't able to cover in the first video. So without taking too much of your time, I'm going to show you and talk about some copyrighted images. I'm going to show you how we actually keep the copyrighted details and everything of the author as well. So I'm over on Flickr at the moment. I've searched for hat. As you can see, I've got some hats come up here. What I'm going to do is, we've got a number of options we can do with these now. We can use the image, we can send it to ImageGear, we can actually download the image to our computer, or we can download the image with the author details as well. So I'm going to click on download with author details as well. I'm going to call this test 1, for example, and I'm going to show you exactly how this looks. We'll go over to test 1, and I'm going to preview this, and as you can see guys, it's saying hat making another batch, and then it's got the author name there as well, and it's actually got the URL to the actual image as well. So you can go ahead and you can check and ensure what kind of details or what kind of license restrictions this image has. And I must mention as well, when we do use Flickr, then we are using advanced searches to look for Creative Commons licenses as well, just to help and make sure we try our best to comply with all the details. Okay, and what you can do, you can always import this in, guys. Say, for example, you realize that you don't need to, let's just bring this down, you don't need to keep the this intact. So, for example, you don't need to keep the hat making, another batch, whatever, and the author details intact. Then what you can do is very simple. You can actually come here, you can hold over the area that you're looking to crop, and then you can just crop it over and just crop that area out. So, for example, it would be as simple as just doing this, and then cropping out the actual author details if you didn't want to use them later on. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some more areas as well. Another area which I wasn't able to speak to you about was merge montage. I'm going to import a folder inside of here. I'm going to show you exactly how this works as well. We'll go to test and we'll use our Cars 2 example. I'm going to create a quick vertical image, and I'll just click on run merge, and I'll go over to that folder. That was real quick as well. And as you can see, this is a merge. We've merged 5 images in together from this folder here. So 5 of these images we've merged together vertically. We can also do horizontal merges, and you can control how many images you want. You can control the size, how many you want as well. And here's a quick horizontal image for us as well. So as you can see, it's very cool. Okay, fantastic. And what we can do is actually show you montages as well. Montages are super cool. I'll click on create montage. For this example, we'll just say my supercars. We'll keep everything as a default. Let's just say 4 images in there. We'll do 2 in a row and we'll create 1. We won't use our file name as the caption. And here's a nice montage there as well. We can get even cleverer with this as well. As you can see, I've got the file names of these images named as dollar, red car, red super, sidecar, supercar, silver car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on file name as caption now, keep the same settings and click on run montage. And when we go inside of here, guys, as you can see, if I zoom in, you can actually see we've got dollar, red car, sports car, sidecar, as well as the captions, which is fantastic. And again, guys, you can do this in however many images you want. So, for example, you could have 5 images in a line. You could have 3 rows, something. And really, okay, we don't have enough images there. What you could do as well is just tell the software, like, you want to create quite a few, and the software would create a number of images for you as well. So as you can see, they come in there. This time it's come up in a fairly weird angle because of the way we've actually set it up. But as you can see, it's very straightforward. You can change the background colors, you can change the border colors as well. So for example, you could have a red color there, you could have a orangey or bluey turquoisey color there as well. And as you can see, the results of this, it does make it a lot different. Okay, so this is the viral image wizard, guys. Very simple to work with, and there's so many things that you can do with this as well. So I know I've still left quite a bit out, guys, so I'm really sorry. And just to cover ImageGear, when you do actually save to ImageGear, guys, you get a URL, so it's ready shareable on the internet straight away. That's why we actually use ImageGear as well. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy working with the tool.